Greetings, Miracle in Motion. Today I'm going to share something about morphogenetic fields. I don't know if you've heard about it. As far as I understand, it was Rupert Sheldrake who coined the expression some time ago. I don't know when. But the thing with morphogenetic fields is that it is an invisible field that directs what is possible for a species. Really, what a species can achieve, what is possible for a species, and I have a really good example on the effect of morphogenetic fields on humanity. And I still don't understand how this works, but it is one of the mysteries I am doing my best to embrace and make use of. I don't know if you have heard about Roger Bannister. He was a runner. I don't know when. It was many years ago. But anyway, there was this distance, the English mile, and the scientists, the men and women who were scientists at the time, they had come to the conclusion that there is a limit in how fast a human can run. There is a physical or biological limit to how fast a human can run. And this distance, the English mile, every runner, they just had at it. They gave everything. And no one broke this barrier. And they really did their best. Everybody was running as fast as they could. They were just throwing themselves at this distance. But no one broke this invisible accepted limit. Until Mr. Bannister, Roger Bannister, he did what no one else had done before. He just ignored the chosen truth, the accepted limitation, and he ran. He ran faster. So he broke this morphogenetic field because he showed it is possible. This limitation, this chosen reality, this chosen dream is not valid. And what happened? Well, after he showed that this limit was just imaginary or accepted, or it was just another story to believe, then suddenly more and more people started running faster than this perceived limit. And this, he broke the morphogenetic field. And since then, many runners, men and women, have run much faster than the biological limit of human speed in running. And to me, this is really interesting. And as far as I understand, every species has a morphogenetic field that directs their behavior, their possibilities. Ants have a morphogenetic field that tells them or directs them into being ants, or antelopes, or giraffes, or horses, or chickens. All species have maybe even trees. Every species has a morphogenetic field that tells them what they are capable of. And the thing is, with humans, we have the ability to create our own morphogenetic fields. We can accept truths, we can accept stories, we can accept realities. And I have a feeling that our original dream, our original morphogenetic field, the dream of GaiaSophia, this original dream of Anthropos 11, the evolved human, the unleashed human, the human unlimited edition, humanity, the unlimited edition. Our morphogenetic field has been hijacked, And we have accepted many limitations, scarcity, ignorance even. We have denied through choice ourselves our divine creative abilities, divine intelligence. There's a name for it, nous. So what we need to do, or what we could do, and this is something I invite you to play with, is to think, what limitations have you accepted as true? What limits have you accepted as impossible to break? Like running the English mile at a certain speed. And to me, of course, I play with this a lot. What truths, what stories, what realities, what dreams have I accepted as immutable or unchangeable? What is it to be human? What powers do we possess? What is divine intelligence? Our imagination, our ability to feel, to love, empathy, compassion. So since I am now deeply inspired by the story of the fallen goddess, GaiaSophia, the original dream, and so on, what is our original morphogenetic field? What abilities, what are we capable of when we access the memories of the original dream? And what is our original morphogenetic field? To me, that is intensely interesting, and there's a deep calling in me that sings to me to explore that. Because, as I said, I believe the morphogenetic field of humans has been hijacked. And that is the thing. Since we have a choice, we can choose which reality to believe. We can choose what dream to take part in. A very short description of morphogenetic fields and the power it has to tell a species what it's supposed to do, what its limitations are, what its possibilities are. And challenge limitations you have accepted. If you want, as always, this is another story. This is another story. Seems to be backed by factual evidence and proven data, but still, I don't know. The story about Roger Bannister, I wasn't there. I have only heard about it from different sources, but still, it's just a story. And if I wasn't there, I don't know. But I think, I deeply believe that it is time for us to access the original dream of GaiaSophia and become what we have the possibility to be and beyond, because it's an open-ended story. It's an open-ended story. Life is truly an adventure, and these are tumultuous, turbulent times, and also marvelous times. So we are truly living in the time of prophecies, and it is up to us. We need to choose, because we have the possibility to choose and the ability to choose. Okay, as always, I truly wish you all the best, and may you remember who you are.